Are you right now, right now, no, don't lie to me. Don't lie to yourself, most importantly. Are you giving 10x of what you're doing? Are you working twice as harder than you're usually working? Are you working 3 times, 4 times, 5 times harder? Are you sure about it? Are you working 10 times harder than your normal capabilities? I'll be honest with you. I'm not. I'm not. But I'm working towards getting there. It's building a habit. But if you're not working or working towards building that habit, working harder than 10 times, 100 times your normal effort, don't you think we might be wasting time? Because especially during this time, come on, we're in quarantine, guys. Why shouldn't we be working harder than usual and figuring out new things and getting creative when times when everyone needs money? If your normal job isn't making money, you gotta figure out how to make more money. Isn't that the truth? That's just how it is. How are you gonna work harder? But yet, here's a book to help you out. The 10X Rule by Grant Cardone. The 10X Rule. This book, this book is very, very simple. Look, it's 250 pages, give or take, right? I'll tell you right now, not even. But 227 pages with dictionary. 227 pages, 10 chapters, give or take, and words are big, size 14. No, these are 23 chapters. But most importantly, look, when I read this book, it's really simple. All he says is, look, you need to ask the correct questions. You need to have an idea. You need to work your ass off towards it, take a lot of risks. And then when whatever the idea that you have, asking the right questions, being surrounded around the correct amount of people, take control over it. And then work harder than most people. Right? Work 10 times harder than most people, 20 times harder, 100 times harder than most people. That's simply it. Because if you're not working harder towards your dream, why are you going to work so hard for other people who don't care about your dream? You know, like, it's really, really that simple. Right now, it's like I'm working my ass off in my job. Like it's annoying to me, but if I'm working as hard as I'm willing to work here, why not do it for myself either? And that's the whole point about this, is to figure out the correct steps, the simple steps, the very, very simple steps. You use those simple steps and you 10x it, and you have the X amount of results you want in the X amount of years. You decide to make that happen. Is it overnight? No. Is it tomorrow? No. Is it a week? No. A month? No. A year? No. It took Grant Cardone was my age, 26 years old, when he made the decision to have the health wealth he has right now. What is that? 30 plus years. 30 years. If you're willing to work for 40 years for somebody else and retire as a broke bitch, why not work 30, 40 years for yourself to retire maybe like a rich bitch? I'd rather be a rich bitch than a broke bitch all day, bitch. Come on. That's just right. This is how I look at it. So I highly recommend. Some of you may not like Uncle G, but you know what? Uncle G is my dog, and it doesn't matter if you like him or not. This guy got $1 billion in the bank account. He's doing, and right now during this quarantine, during these economic downfalls, this man is making money because he knows what he's doing. He's smart about it. He thought about it. He's been working his butt off for over 30 years to make it happen, and he wrote about it in here for us to benefit from. So why aren't you not going to benefit from an author, from the mindset, from someone else who actually cares about you, whether you care about him or not, to benefit for your life? Why not? Learn from that way you can become a better person. It's a great book. This book, if you take 30 minutes a day, every single day, you will finish it on average, I say 2 weeks. You get 30 minutes a day. 2 weeks, I would say average we reach about 20 pages a day. That's 14 days. That's 280 pages, give or take. Yeah, you'll definitely be finished. No big deal. On top of that, read it. Yeah, read it. If you like my video, like this video, follow it, share it. Don't hesitate to share it. Please do. Please, I need followers, man. I'm trying to get my money up too. Blah. And yeah, I sound like a turkey there. But just take care, guys. Have a phenomenal one.